Hey there, it's Peter with Equappment. Today's video we're going to show you how to enter a bore log. So we find our job, tap on the details, scroll down to job bores. Now you'll see there's already one bore that's entered for this job and it's complete. We're going to come back to that one in just a minute. But right now we're going to create a new bore. So this bore will just give a random name to it. Next bore. Okay, it's going to start, we'll say tomorrow, even though we're going to start logging it today. The start location is going to be based on where your device is. You can always change that. Expected ground conditions would be sand for this one. The bore length, let's say 125 feet. 18-inch diameter for our 12-inch HDPE pipe. And the crew, once again, is going to be drilling dawn to dusk. And then any other notes that you want your crew to be able to access about this particular bore. Just hit Create Bore, go to All, and we will see this new bore created. Now we can start logging. Just tap on it, click on Create Bore Log. Now your first entry for all the logs is going to be the distance you've drilled since the last entry. So in this case, let's say it's 10 feet. We're going to come down, ground conditions haven't changed. The bore location, again, is going to be based on your mobile device where you took the reading. Your current depth, we're now at 24 inches and we're flying down at about an 8% down slope. Any notes about this particular entry? And if you need a photo, you can add that here and then save entry. We're going to do one more after this is entered. So again, we're going to hit the plus sign. And then one more time to take us into the entry. Another reading is going to be at the next 10 feet. Ground conditions haven't changed as far as we know. Our depth is now around 34 inches because we're going down, but we have leveled out a little bit. So we're only at a minus 2%. And we can indicate that here that we pushed at 12.43 feet. Okay, just something good to record. And let's say we crossed a utility already. We want to document it. So we'll choose a picture to upload, or you can take a picture with the camera at that time. That'll store it with this entry. We're not going to do it right now, but just know that you can. Save the entry. Now you can see from this screen, you've got your two bore log entries, 10 feet each. At the top, you'll see that it says 20 foot total distance drilled, 105 feet remaining of our 125 feet. And you would just go on like that. Let's go back to that other bore where we completed it yesterday. Tap into that and you can see, okay, this is the daily bore progress. So each day, if a bore goes over more than one day, you're going to have a separate log entry for each day. So this one, everything was done in one day. Here's all your entries for that bore. The little icon here in the middle on the right, that indicates there's a picture associated with that entry. There it is, and that'll also be saved in your job photos section. Okay, that's it for the bore log entry.